Hello everybody. So I have this product that's an amazing product. So basically it's doing your own like sugar waxing but at home. This is the water. So you're gonna put that on your face to kind of clean up the area, get everything ready for your application. My first time doing this. So far it's actually very easy. This is like painless, by the way. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that was good. Okay, I'm kind of already in love with this. Ooh, yes. This is great. What I'm really loving about it is the reusableness of it. It's like I'm getting all the hairs. This is super easy. Not a bunch of hot, spilling wax everywhere. Super, super affordable. Worth it. Oh wow, this stuff looks great, you guys. Let's see how it feels. Very moisturizing. Feels good. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this product. It's amazing, and I think that more ladies out there could use a product like this.